If you are getting a problem where when you're setting up a print in the slicer and it's not staying in the middle, when it prints, it's printing to either side, and when you start the print off, the print head will go down to there and then come back again, and instead of going to the slinger to the end, it'll stop right over here, and then start extruding the filament out. It'll do the line, then start running, extruding the filament out here instead of doing it under here. There's a couple of things that could be wrong with it. I had the same problem. I reinstalled all the software, I reset everything, and I still had the problem. I even checked the slicer to make sure I had the right printer set up, and it still did it. What it actually turned out to be was this belt runs underneath here. I had a couple of days before tightened it up, and because it was too tight, the head wasn't running freely, and it was causing the print to actually print on the wrong side of the bed, and was also not going all the way back to where it should go. So that's all it was. It was just I loosened the belt off and it solved the problem. If that doesn't solve it, then if you come over to the slicer, I'll show you how to make sure that you've got the right printer selected. So if you've adjusted your belt and it's still not printing right, or the head's not stopping where the slinger is, then come up to here, because sometimes when you import files, it actually changes the printer profile. So obviously for this one, it's a Bamboo Lab, which obviously mine is not. Mine's a Kobra 3. So you can either change it by clicking up the top here. If it's already clicked, then just unclick and click again and just confirm. If it doesn't change it, then there's a drop down menu here which will give you the system presets, and then just click on the Kobra. It'll change it to the Kobra, and then obviously it'll change your plate settings as well, and then just make sure you sync your Kobra Ace Pro as well, because it'll change it to Anycubic PLA. So that's another reason that your print will start printing off the plate. So once you've changed it to the right printer, you can also check that the settings are right by clicking up there, and it'll give you the bed dimensions there, so you can change it. I would leave it as it is, because it's set to the standard AC K3, so I would just leave it. So once you've changed it to the right printer and the right filament, you can also, when you go to Workbench, you can always check that you've got the right printer selected to do the print job. So hopefully that helps you out. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.